A quick addendum. The selection tool that you'll see me using in the following videos is just left clicking in the screen. So you see we have some objects on the viewport now. If I left click and drag out a window, you can see it says specify opposite corner. And as you can see, as I fully encapsulate one of the objects on the screen in the window, it gets highlighted. If I click, they get picked up. So these objects are now selected. And there are two ways to draw these windows. One, you drag out to the right, and that creates the blue box with the solid outline. And then if you drag out to the left, it creates a green box with a dashed outline. The blue box only selects items that are entirely surrounded by the box. You can see as I complete this or move the selection completely around this circle, it gets highlighted. That's what gets picked. The green box, anytime you cross the boundary or touch something or encapsulate it, any time one of the objects is in contact with the green box, it gets selected. So I can select all of these circles just by making sure I touch all of them. Now they're all selected. And I'm using escape to deselect. And I'll be using the delete key to erase objects. Now if you want to undo, you use Control Z, and that'll undo the last command. You can also erase objects by typing the E, which is short for erase, space, which is space works like enter does, and then you can pick objects one by one or drag out a window and pick the objects before you delete them. Press space completes the command. That's a quick addendum. Thanks for watching. Good luck again.